Hey guys, Avijit here with Titan Lifts, and today I'd like to show you our latest product, the ROT4500 Automotive Rotisserie. Being in the automotive industry, we understand the importance of your tools and equipment, especially when it comes to automotive refinishing. With this, you're able to mount your chassis or frame and rotate it 360 degrees to where you can work on it in any position you'd like. So let's dive right into showing you some of the unique features of this piece of equipment. First up, you'll notice the thickness of the steel tubing used. This leaves no surprise that the ROT4500 boasts an industry-leading 4,500 pound capacity and is adjustable up to 19.5 feet. This will allow you to work on anything from a bare shell all the way up to a rolling chassis. The dual hydraulic cylinders that effortlessly raise the main posts to the desired working height make getting to those hard-to-reach places a breeze. The next thing to note are the safety features we've incorporated into this rotisserie. One of the most important things when using a rotisserie is making sure the vehicle is balanced over the center axis of the swing arms. That way it can be turned safely and easily. Balancing the vehicle can be done with the threaded lifting screw. This will raise and lower the mounting arms to achieve proper vehicle balance. Once the vehicle is balanced, use a spring-loaded locking pin to lock the vehicle in place. This is especially effective when applying pressure to a vehicle, such as when you're grinding or sanding. In addition to this, both main posts and mounting arms have their own pins and set screws which help take the pressure off the hydraulics and lifting screws. Another really nice feature of our ROT4500 are the 8-inch locking casters. They allow for effortless movement without marring your shop floor. Once you get the rotisserie where you want it, you can lock it in place. Also unique to our rotisserie is a stabilizer leg kit. This here slides right into the end of the frame, which effectively widens the stance of the rotisserie, so when you're rotating the vehicle, it's an added peace of mind. We also offer a full line of optional mounting accessories, such as the unibody adapters, the universal adapters, the balance adapters, and leaf spring adapters. These can all be utilized on different vehicles depending on how you want to have it set up on the rotisserie.